Make a great choice today with the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, traction control, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Come take a test drive today.